Hi everyone, so today I want to present to you our straight look from the Kerasilk new campaign with a slight twist. I hope you enjoy. So one of my tricks is to prep the hair using the Kerasilk Bodifying Volume Mousse. This isn't for volume, but it's for the quality it leaves in the hair. It's stupendous. So depending on how much hair you have, thinner hair, maybe do that back section in one. If you've got thicker hair, feel free to do it in 2 or 3 sections, and you can control the size of the wave or body movement you want to put in. So because I wanted a flatter root, I love using the hairspray directly into the brush and then straight over the top to smooth down the flyaways and to kill the volume and keep the look feeling youthful. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope the little tricks you can use at home and you can play with it. Enjoy.